Harmonious Adventures takes on Blizzard Beach. Come on, take a walk with us, and let's explore all that there is here at Blizzard Beach. Here in just a second, you'll be able to see the Blizzard Beach map. This is a massive water park, and the wave pool and the bigger slides are off to the left, where we really stayed on the right side of the park.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Harmonious Adventures. Today we are in Blizzard Beach, and we found the cutest little place. We got here super late, and we found good shade in the little Tykes area. So it is, if you're looking at the little pool in the tide area, it's going to be off to the right, and it's where the little kids' little tubing area is, but nobody knows that it's back here apparently, because coming late and being able to get a spot like this is pretty awesome. So that is our tip of the day, is this little shady spot, and I want to show you
So, future Kristen here, I do want to preface by saying, please make sure that your little ones know how to find your chair again. In this small little area, Bo had a hard time at the end of the day finding the chair. So just a little tip, because it is kind of tucked away, and Bo was scared for a little second when he could not find us. So just remember, if you do get this little spot, because it is tucked away kind of back behind these slides, that your little ones may have a hard time finding you. So make sure you go over and over again with them where these seats are.
Oh yeah, my man. Bringing the drinks.
Got them margaritas.
All
Bar
right.
right here next to us. Perfect.
Sweet.
This looks like somewhere hot.
It does. Y'all get in. Get in, Bo.
Hey.
Got it. Okay. All right, ready? Let's go. Woo!
going down the big slide. We're going the big slide. I'm waiting for this. This one goes down the big slide. I'm gonna be screaming. I'm gonna be screaming.
Look, you want to go down the other ones? Come on.
Too crazy. This is gonna be too crazy for me. I'm gonna be screaming. See that? The big two. The big two. I'm here at Sacramento Blue. I have the biggest slide.
Oh, that's a slide.
That was the best one ever. That was the best one ever.
Bo, where are we going?
The lazy river.
Lazy River, don't grab it. Let her just go.
Oh, there's a waterfall up ahead. Oh, that tree up there, that's like rain.
It's like the circles. It's two little circles. It's like you're on pirates. Yo ho! I got you. Hold on to me. Hold on to my leg. Hold on to me. Hold on to my leg. Hold on to my leg, man. Curtis, hold on to my foot.
You got it?
Here, I'll move it. Now you can get a shot. Now you can get a shot with my arm out there.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up, though. Are we up high? We're gonna go up the top of that mountain. Top of the mountain with my family.
Smile, Bo.
Hey. Smile, Bo.
You should have said that.
All right. Here we go, Bo.
All right.
Whoa! Throw them up. Throw them hands in the air. Throw them hands, Bo. Woo!
It's a bow in it.
Hands in the air, Bo.
Look at that.
Look at that. Woo! Woo! He did it. He got it. Woo! Woo! Whoa! 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 We got stuck somehow. That was crazy. We got stuck. Yeah, we got stuck on a little side thing with no water.
We were just up like that.
Yeah.
I was scared of that.
That would have been a good little hit. We wouldn't have got off that.
I did not.
We made it, Bo.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this video. Dare I say that Blizzard Beach is our favorite water park in Orlando, hands down. Might even be our favorite water park in general. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. I'd love for you to let us know what your favorite water park is. Maybe we need to explore a new one. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.